In this video, we're going to do a case study on how travel website Explore.com quadrupled their traffic in just 10 months. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So this is Explore.com. They're a travel website that has been around forever. They have been online since 1997. They've changed hands a couple of times, had a couple of new owners. They got a great domain, Explore.com. It's easy to see why. They have blogs about travel, information about travel, all kinds of information for travel planning, basically everything up until the point where you book the trip. What's incredible about Explore.com is recently they have quadrupled their traffic. Pretty amazing for any website, let alone one that's been around for over 25 years. If you want to read more about them or read this case study instead of watching this video, you can check out the companion case study at AIOSEO.com/trends. And I will drop in a link directly to this case study in the description below this video. So let's take a look at some historical traffic for Explore.com. We're not going to go all the way back to 1997. We'll start in 2018. 2018, this site was DOA, dead on arrival, 0 views according to SEMrush. 2019, the entire year, 16 visits. 2020, 134. 2021, 856 visits. So not much going on between 2018 and 2021. In this graph, we can see not a lot happening, and then bam, traffic explodes in 2022 from 172 visits a month, which doesn't even register on this graph, to 52,000 a month. What happened in 2022? Well, it turns out Explore.com was acquired by Static Media. They gave the site a rebrand. But what else did they do besides a rebrand that caused traffic to surge so dramatically in 2022 and then once again towards the middle of 2023? Well, that's what we're going to dive into in this case study. The first strategy that Explore.com used is to target long-tail keywords and then build out content around those long-tail keywords. So before the acquisition from Static Media, Explore.com had 239 pages of content. After the acquisition, they wound up with 5,054 pages, a huge increase. So they started with keyword research and then built out content around those keywords. All-in-One SEO can help you perform keyword research just like Explore.com did. Let's head on over to the All Posts section of our website, and I'm going to pull up this post called SEO Conference. If we head on over to the right-hand column here, I'm going to click on this All-in-One SEO button up top. I'm going to click on General, and then I'm going to click on where it says Focus Key Phrase. So I have the focus key phrase set SEO Conference. So if I want to discover some new long-tail key phrases or do some keyword research on what else I could target, all I have to do is click the button Get Additional Key Phrases. So All-in-One SEO has a fantastic integration with SEMrush, where you can get keyword suggestions right here within WordPress. You don't have to open another tab. You can do it all from where you're doing your work. Now, if you've never done this before, the first time you click that Get Additional Key Phrases button, you're going to have to link your SEMrush account with your All-in-One SEO account. If you don't have an SEMrush account, you can create one. If you don't know how to do that, don't worry. We have another video on this YouTube channel that shows you step-by-step how to do that, and I will link to that video at the end of this video. So as you can see, we started with the simple SEO key phrase, SEO Conference, and SEMrush integrated with All-in-One SEO is suggesting these additional key phrases. Also have SEO Conferences, SEO Conferences 2023, or also 2024. SEO Conference London, which could give you new ideas for SEO Conference Boston, SEO Conference United Kingdom, best SEO conferences. So we can either add these key phrases to our current post, our current piece of content, or we could just save them in a list to use later. So I'm going to go ahead and add SEO Conferences 2024 to this page. It's giving me a 42 out of 100. Because I don't have 2024 probably anywhere in the content of this page. But that's how easily you add key phrases to your content. I'm going to close out of this modal. I'm going to go ahead and click the blue update button and save those changes to this piece of content. If you want a quick and easy way to find long tail keywords, One of the best methods is just to start performing a Google search. So in this example, I'm searching for birthday gifts, and Google itself will give you tons of recommendations. A lot of them are longer tail keywords than the main search you're looking for. So birthday gifts is not really a long tail keyword. It's going to be very broad. It's going to be very hard to rank for. But birthday gifts for her, birthday gifts for girls, birthday gifts for husband. So Google itself will suggest lots of other options, and many of those can be long tail keywords, or they could give you ideas for long tail keywords. The second strategy that Explore.com used is they implemented schema data to win rich snippets directly in the search results. And here I've done a quick Google search for best dog parks. Number 2 is a result from Explore.com. You can see they're getting a nice rich result here. Pulling in this image, it just jumps off the search result pages a lot better than one of these results down here that does not have an image being pulled in. So the way they're getting that image to get pulled in is they are implementing schema data. The hard way to implement schema data is to hand code it yourself. The easy way is to use All-in-One SEO's powerful built-in schema generator. In the WordPress All Posts section, I'm going to click on this post I have here called Men's Basketball Shoes. So if we scroll down after the content, we get to the AIOSEO settings section and go ahead and click on the schema tab. The first item you see is schema type, and this is set to product already by default. But if it was set to something else like web page or recipe, you can use this drop-down selector right here and choose product as the schema type. You can add a description of your product, a price for your product, the currency of your price. If you're having a sale, you can add how long you want the price to be valid to. In this example, it's not for a sale. We can add the brand and whether the item is in stock or not. You can put in a SKU here and an identifier type. You can also add in your reviews one by one in this section, including your headline, the content of the review, the author, and the rating. You can use the big blue button to add a new review, and the trash can icon to remove those reviews. Click Update when you're done, and it will save that schema data. You can search our YouTube channel for a more in-depth tutorial on product schema, including how it integrates with WooCommerce. The third strategy that Explore.com used is they obtained high-quality backlinks. If we remember back to that graph, there was a big spike in traffic in 2022, and then there was another spike towards the end of 2023. That's when all their backlinks kicked in. They got those backlinks two different ways. One way was they simply created all of this new content, and websites started naturally linking to them. And number 2 is they were acquired by Static Media. Static Media has 17 other brands with high domain authority, and they interlink between their websites. It's important to have a balance of internal and external links on your site. You can also use All-in-One SEO's powerful link assistant to really beef up your internal linking strategy. We're going to go under the All-in-One SEO menu and click on Link Assistant. And then up top, we're going to click on the Links Report tab. And then below that, I'm going to click the link here that says Linking Opportunities. So there are 20 different pages with linking opportunities according to Link Assistant. I'm going to just do a quick search for basketball. And I can see here on my men's basketball shoes page on the final column here, there is one suggestion. So if we click on the little link icon near the number 1, I can click on this tab here that says one outbound internal suggestion. So Link Assistant is saying on that text, also available in green and black, it's saying, why don't you make the text green and black a link over to your other page entitled Men's Green and Black Basketball Shoes. So instead of going through the whole manual process of adding links individually in the WordPress editor, we could just look for it here and say, add link, and then confirm and say, yes, I want to add this suggestion. And it's that simple to add internal links to your website using Link Assistant. The top 3 strategies that Explore.com use that you can emulate on your site is number 1, they targeted long-tail keywords and built out content around those long-tail keywords. Number 2, they implemented schema data to win rich results in search. Number 3, they acquired more backlinks and interlinked between different domains that they own. And on the flip side, there are some things that Explore.com got wrong. Bottom 3 strategies to reconsider. They overlooked FAQ schema. They're using schema throughout their website, but for some reason they didn't use schema on their FAQs. Number 2, they're missing some easy metadata wins. Some meta titles and descriptions were just too long. And number 3, they neglected image title tags. We found lots of images on their website that simply did not have title tags. All-in-One SEO can help you emulate the top 3 strategies that they used, as well as fix the bottom 3 that might need some work. So that's how Explore.com quadrupled their traffic. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to get more traffic to your website from search, or click the very first link in the description below to download and start using All-in-One SEO right now.